I walk in the club, and you know that it's tough. No, you cannot get a hug. Know that I just wanna fuck. Got that Glock on my hip, better duck. Double 2, 3, finna send your ass up. He put up on me.
What is up, this is boy OG, and I'm back with another banger, man. Now today's video, man, we're going to be doing a mukbang. So basically, you know, we're gonna be talking. I don't think these boys got food, but you know,
I got my
food right here, so y'all just gonna see me eating. Oh yeah, and also, y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to SK the Kid.
Yo, you know the vibes.
And also your boy Ken. You see what I'm saying? The boys are gonna be uploading real soon. So you know, yeah. So y'all make sure y'all go like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all do all that, and let's get straight into the video.
Yeah. So OG, what you had ordered, bro?
Oh, so I got some Burger King here. I got this Bacon King. You see what I'm saying? With large ass fries.
Yeah. Dang, fries, bro.
Large fry, man. You know I'm a big boy. So
I mean,
I'm a big boy. Hey, I ain't gonna count.
I don't know.
I ain't gonna listen. I understand it's not good. I understand it's not good. I understand it's not.
No bad fries.
That's a lot of cholesterol right there, bro.
Listen. I'm in good shape. I only eat this like once a month.
Bro, I kid you not, bro. I had a Bacon King before we came, bro, and it made me feel so sick, dog. Like, SK saw it, bro. I can never eat this junk ever again. I'm really not a big, heavy person on,
you don't want to scoop
meats
up,
and junk, but...
I'm just saying, like, you look uncomfortable, like, you lean off your chair, bro.
Yeah, bro, like, you lean off the chair, junk. But yeah, like, I really just can't eat it, bro.
You see, before I came here, I had me a chicken sandwich. I'm straight.
I don't even eat that, to be real.
But you was... Okay.
Like, I just didn't want it. Like, I was just hungry, you know? But I'm finna just start eating, like, healthier, you feel me? I'm gonna try.
No, I ain't gonna count. No. When now, like, football season and everything over, I am gonna start back, you know.
Go ahead. It's just honey mustard.
Yeah.
It smells so nasty.
That honey mustard.
Yeah, it's just, I don't like honey mustard.
What?
I don't like honey mustard, bro.
Oh, never mind. I'm about to say, because you put... Never mind. I'm thinking of regular mustard. Now, hold on. I want to ask y'all boys these questions. What's y'all favorite fast food?
Favorite fast food? But y'all already know, bro. I'm gonna
stop at Mickey D's.
Mickey D's.
I ain't gonna count. I'm gonna stop at Zaxby's.
Zaxby's.
I fuck with
Zaxby's
Zaxby's
having a
hard.
lot of, yeah, they good. It's just, they a little salty. With certain foods be a little salty.
Like, I get chicken nuggets from here and there, but I really get like the grilled chicken sandwich.
Oh
the
yeah, that buzz.
Chicken be busting.
I ain't even gonna hold y'all. Me, I'm more of a Wendy's and Chick-fil-A type.
Yeah.
I do fuck with Wendy's.
I fuck with Wendy's heavy. Like, you can't go wrong at Wendy's for real.
Right. Because Wendy's chicken nuggets.
It's alright.
Yeah, I mean, I don't eat the burgers, but I eat like a chicken sandwich and a baconated fries. I'm just saying your head look kind of fire.
Yeah.
I'm just saying your head look kind of fire.
Yeah, I mean, you just gotta retweet, okay?
Yeah, I do.
But yeah, like that's really the main thing I eat from the tight jump, you know. But and that and what you call it? What you call the drink, bro? Strawberry lemonade. I always get a strawberry lemonade from there, bro. That jump busts every time, bro.
I know what I don't think I've tried.
I haven't tried.
I don't think I tried it before. I think I did, but I don't remember.
Oh yeah, sure. But so like other than like fast food and junk, say like y'all on the road, you feel me? You stop at the gas station. Like, what's a go-to gas station snack? Like every time you stop.
Now, listen. Now,
I got two things.
Half of y'all probably don't know this. My favorite bag of chips is the Cheetos, the jalapeno kind. Now,
cheddar jalapeno.
They go hard. Either I would get some Takis or I get like some Lay's chips or something.
On the road though.
On the road.
On the road.
Yeah,
on the road. Now listen. Now if it's like one of them stores like where like you know they got like them pizzas.
Oh yeah.
I get like a pizza and a bag of chips and like a Powerade or something, and I eat that.
No. What's your go-to snack on the road? I mean not go-to snack. I mean go-to drink.
Drink.
Probably a Powerade.
Powerade. What about you?
Me, I'm simple, cause I ain't gonna lie. I usually go with Cheez-Its, Pringles, or pistachios.
He ain't lying, bro. He is not lying, bro. We would literally go 30 miles and then want to stop and get some Pringles or some cheese or some pistachios.
But like, and then with the drink, I'll give me like a large thing of British iced tea.
What? He's not lying, dog.
That's
He
all I
eat that
do.
every time, bro.
Or I get Arizona.
Arizona,
I
yeah.
get Arizona.
Yeah, see, me,
But
I
like, which
ain't even
Arizona
lie.
though?
Probably
I get the
the
kiwi strawberry.
I get a watermelon.
I get that one that you said.
Yeah.
Now watermelon,
Watermelon.
I don't really mess with watermelon like
Yeah.
that. But I get fruit punch though.
No,
Fruit punch hard. Fruit punch hard.
but I ain't gonna lie. I started drinking Arizona after I heard somebody.
Heck yeah. But my go-to, I ain't even gonna lie. I'll probably stop and get like some Takis,
Right.
a Rice Krispie treat. My drink gonna be a Body Armor or water. I guess.
But every time this man either gets the blueberry body armor,
That
the
be
like
good. That be so good, bro.
What happened
And
to them?
I get some Skittles too, bro. Like no cap, I don't even eat candy like that.
No, I'm about
but
to
when
say.
we on the road and I need to stay woke, cause 9 times out of 10 I be driving, or I just be wanting to stay woke,
Right.
cause I be vlogging. But I'll get some Skittles too. And shoot, that's like my go-to. Like anytime I stop, I gotta pick up some Takis every time. Like
Yeah.
Takis smack. If you watching this Takis, please sponsor me. I swear.
Shoot,
Now,
okay.
no cap, I do want to try them Ohanas that you're talking about.
Oh, Honda's good as fuck.
The Ohanas, I do want to try them.
The only place you find
wait.
it.
You gotta find them in the hood.
Yeah,
What's
I'm
Ohana?
in the hood, bro.
What's on Hondas?
Ohana in the
Ohana
hood store.
drink.
You ain't never heard of
You
Ohana
ain't never
drinks?
heard of them?
Oh, bro, put it up on screen. Ohana drinks, bro. Like that junk, you only find it in the hood.
Y'all
So
gonna
that's how I
probably see
know.
it by
That's
the
how I know you ain't
right
from the
here
hood like that.
or-
You feel
No,
me?
hold on,
He ain't from the
hold
hood.
on,
He ain't from the hood. He don't know about Ohana, bro. Come on,
Them
now. Everybody
Ohana.
know about Ohana.
Now, I ain't gonna lie,
Go
I
to
saw.
downtown West Palm Beach. All right.
I mean,
saw
they there,
it.
but you ain't never drunk it, bro. Like, how you don't know
I don't
about
go, when I was there, I ain't go to the store like that. I stayed in the crib.
it? Yeah, see, you got.
No, when I went to the
When I was in
store,
the neighborhood, I never went to the store.
when I was in Daytona,
You gotta go in there.
when I went in there, the Arab man knew me. You know what I'm saying? He was,
I'm trying to tell you, bro.
he'll be, he'll call my like my dad name. I'm not gonna say my dad name on camera, but he'll call my dad name. He'll be like little.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
He'll call me by my dad name and stuff. And I'll just like get some snacks, stuff, get something to drink. You know, that's it.
Heck yeah, cause shoot, that's my like he.
I ain't say nothing, cuz.
He like Ohana my go-to. I ain't even gonna lie, Ohana my go-to. But shoot,
You look kind of
wrapping
hungry.
that up though. You said he look what?
He look kind of hungry. Yep. I'm just saying.
He just eating his fries, bro.
fries, man.
Alright, y'all. So that's gonna be the end of the video. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to
Yes,
SK
sir.
the
You know
Kid.
the vibes. You know the vibes.
And y'all make sure y'all also go subscribe to your boy Ken right here.
Sure, man, for sure.
Like I said, these boys will be uploading some videos and stuff.
Very soon.
But y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all do all that, and I'll see you guys later. I'm gone.